If you are looking for ways to save money while you are in nursing school, then this is the video for you. Hi, I'm Nurse T and I am back with another video. I have been wanting to make this video for a while now, and I am so excited to share my tips with you guys on how to save money while you're in nursing school. The first tip that I have for you guys on how to save money is to buy your books and your scrubs cheap. For books, I would suggest going on check.com or amazon.com to rent your books instead of purchasing them at full price or used price from your school's bookstore, which, by the way, is a huge rip off. Okay, huge rip off. Do not do it to yourself. Rent your books, or I would suggest checking apps like Let Go, OfferUp, or even the Facebook Market to get your books really cheap. Also check with your classmates that may be ahead of you. Usually when nursing students graduate, they tend to get rid of all their books, so they may be wanting to give them away or sell them for really cheap. So check there before you actually purchase your books. And if you have to purchase your books, purchase them used. Do not purchase them brand new. That will save you a lot more money as well. As for scrubs, I would suggest looking on Let Go, OfferUp, check with your classmates, as well as check your local Goodwill stores. A lot of students will actually donate all of their scrubs. They just want to get rid of them. They don't want to sell them, and they will just go and take a bag full of them to Goodwill. I have found that helpful while I was in school because, as I mentioned in a previous video, I gained a lot of weight while I was in school, staying up studying, just eating junk food to kind of stay awake. I gained weight, and close to the end of the semester or my term in school, I needed bigger scrubs. So Goodwill really helped me out in that aspect. I was able to go and get them for dirt cheap and not even think twice about it. Another tip that you guys can use when you're in nursing school to save money is to cut back on your bills. Reason being, especially you're not going to be home that much. You're not going to use a lot of the things that you may have, so it's good to cut back on them. An example of that is cable. You will not have a lot of time to watch cable TV. I'm sorry, that is just the reality of it. So you might as well cut that bill out. If you can, I know you may have kids, some people have kids, get them maybe Hulu apps or or Netflix or Disney Plus, something like that. But cable is very expensive, so that is one thing that you can cut out on. And also just find ways, if you have other bills that you may be able to cut back on, go ahead and do that as well. Maybe a phone plan or something like that, maybe getting a cheaper phone plan. That also may be a way that could help you save some money as well. The next tip that I have for you guys is to carpool. If you guys are going to clinicals or you are going to different sites for various things for school, get with your classmates, see where they live, and ask, okay, maybe we should carpool. And especially if you have to go to those sites 2 to 3 times a week, carpool, because that could be a lot of money. Sometimes, like, I live like 30 minutes away from my school, so carpooling really helped me save on gas because I was able to carpool with someone that lived very close to me, so we rotated on the days to drive to school. Very helpful. Another tip that I have for you guys is to meal prep. Meal prep. I have made a video on a meal prep that I did. It wasn't when I was in school. I didn't record any of that, but it's an example of what you can do to get yourself prepared and to save money, and I will post a link to that video in the description box. What I mean by meal prep is to go to the store, just shop what's on sale first of all. Whatever is on sale, plan your meals around what's on sale. I know we have cravings, I know we have this and that, but shop around what's on sale and make them work for you. Meal prep get your meals together. Say you're off on a Sunday, take that time out to just cook all your meals for the week. Get containers, put them in the containers, put them in your fridge, and you are good to go. You just be able to grab and go when it's time to get ready and head out for school. This will save you a lot of money, because when you are at your clinical sites, it is very tempting to eat out in the cafeteria and all of that. But I'm telling you, those eating out days, they really add up to bills. Seriously, they could become a serious bill at the end of the month. So if you can, meal prep, take your meals with you. If you're a coffee drinker, buy your coffee, make it at home, and take it with you as well. Another tip that I have for you guys is to use coupons. Many of you have been following me for years now. I have been a couponer since 2011. I will forever be a couponer. I don't care how much money I make. I tell people this on a daily basis. I will always be a couponer, because it just makes sense. And once you've already, saved so much money on things, it just makes sense to do it. So why not continue on as a vital part of your life? I will actually tell you guys about one of my friends that she was my eyes and my ears when I was in nursing school, because I did not have time to check Instagram, the deals, what have you. She really helped me out. Her name is Coupon with Star. I will link her channel in my description box. She actually has a series that she has started on how to start couponing, and she breaks it down very well. The big thing now is digital coupons. So digital coupons is basically when you just take your phone, you download an app, you load the coupons to your app, and you go to the store and pick up your items. It's just as simple as that. I know a lot of you guys may not have money to buy Sunday papers, and that is understandable, because Sunday papers are expensive. So I will link her channel down in the description box. She is very helpful. She breaks everything down to the nitty gritty, okay? She breaks it down, and she will get you where you need to be if you have never couponed before. Like I said, I know how to coupon, but I don't have a series that's gonna take you back to the basics and build you up to where you need to be. And this will be helpful, because when you have, study break time, you need necessities for your household and for your family. So this will be a good time to just run out, watch one of her videos, of course, run out, load your coupons, get what she tells you to get, and you will come back, with money in your pocket that you have saved on items that you need. So definitely check her channel out, okay? Also, cashback apps. These apps entail Ibotta and Fetch. Fetch is a cashback app where when you go shopping, after you watch your videos, get your receipt, scan your receipt in, because you will get cash back for scanning your receipts in. Also, Ibotta, when you buy certain products, you can get cash back for the products that you buy. I will link both of those apps in my description box so that you can follow along or sign up for those. Also, after you have saved all of your money with buying your scrubs for cheap, carpooling, meal prepping, using coupons, all of that good stuff, it would be a good idea to challenge yourself to save that money. Now that leads me to another one of my good friends. His name is Bargains with Brink. He was another one that was my eyes and my ears when I was in nursing school. He, along with Star, they both helped me out tremendously. In between, when I had time to run to the store, whatever they posted or told me about, I ran and did it. Bargains with Brink actually has a savings challenge that he's been doing for the past couple of years, and it's very fun, it's very interesting just to see how much money you can save over a course of the year. So I will link his channel in the description box. He goes over how to do it in great detail. It's just amazing how much money you can save just by putting away $5 a day or $35 a week. Or you can basically do whatever works for you. If you want to save your change, or you want to save your dollar bills, or what have you, you can do it that way. That is all of the tips that I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you found these tips helpful to help you save your money while you're in nursing school. Nursing school is very stressful as it is, and no need to just, you know, stress even more worrying about how you are going to pay for things. And then after the semester, after you are done with your books and your scrubs and everything else, you can help someone else in need by either giving them away or selling them for dirt cheap, just like someone helped you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you like, comment, share, subscribe, all of those good things. See you guys in the next video.